Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the basic crochet flower for Rakhi's, friendship bands or any embellishments. Let's get started. I'm using 8 mm yarn here. It's in a peachy pink color. So it's pretty thick, so I'm using a 5.5 mm crochet hook for this. It's a Boy Company 5.5 mm crochet hook. So for this we'll start with the magic ring, chain 1, 6 single crochet in the chain. That's 1, 2, 3 and the rest. So total of 6 single crochet in the magic ring. So in case you don't know how to make a magic ring or making the single crochets, you can refer to my previous videos in the playlist. All the basic crochet stitches I've taught there. So I have total of 6 single crochet. I'm just pulling the magic ring together to form a circle. So I have this fox, the chain 1 not there, so I'll have to just put the hook inside the chain 1 and then pull the yarn over from the both ends. That's called a slip stitch. So we have 6 single crochets in the circle. So in each single crochet we'll do 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet, and 1 single crochet. So each chain would have 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. So that forms 1 petal. Now on to the second chain. There's 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, the second double crochet into the same chain, and 1 single crochet. So that formed another petal. So continue to make 1 double crochet, continue making 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 single crochet in each chain. So we have come to the end of the 6th chain. Now I'm just hooking the yarn into the first single crochet and slip stitch, chain 1, pull the thread over and slip it. So that forms a beautiful flower. It's a very easy and basic flower to do. It makes a very cute base for Rakhi or friendship band, or you can embellish your projects, any stitching projects, sew projects. So now I'm making a friendship band here or a Rakhi. So I'm going to make a magic ring, chain. Chain you can do as big as or as small as you want, depending on the size of the hand that you're going to tie that to. So I'm making roughly about 10 to 15 chains on one side. Again, you can refer to how to make a chain over my previous videos of crochet basics. Now I think I have the desired size of chain. Now I'm going to attach the flower by just doing some chain stitches along with the flower, and then make the chain stitches on the other side. There you go, we have almost finished making chain. And once you're happy with the amount of chains you have, with the size of the band, you can just pull over the yarn and snip it. There you go, we have a very simple and easy to make friendship band or crochet. It's good for kids, and you can add tassels over the edges or embellish with beads. So I hope you liked the video. See you.